So what started as a joke now doesn't seem too far-fetched. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tech Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing Thursday. Today it is August 20th, a Thursday, and right around almost a little after an hour after the market opened, we began to see Tesla just rally. And not too sure if this was a technical breakout or if they have yet to release specific news or if it's just rallying for no reason once again. But there is no question that after we broke overall highs right around 1900, it just really began to take off. You guys can see its overall volume. Its volume is beginning to die out as of right now. We now have that same resistance level right around 1970, so we can see another breakout right now. But in this video, what I want to talk about is this is a very similar approach to when Tesla was approaching $1,000 a share. At the end of the day, let's be honest, no one ever knows exactly what's going to happen. My job within this video is just to remind you and encourage you to have a plan to lock in profits. If you're an investor, I wish you the absolute best, and I hope that this thing continues to rally and surpasses $2,000 a share. What I want to talk about is on those 180-day chart. You guys, as of right now, we literally just made new all-time highs on Tesla. They have an up-and-coming stock split, which of course acted as a positive catalyst that initiated this original push. Now it looks like the rally is just continuing, and we're really just trying to push above $2,000 a share. And it wouldn't really surprise me if it does push now $2,000 a share and continues to rally after that. But like we saw when we broke $1,000 a share, there's a lot of consolidation, and then it picked up and had another rally. One of the things that I love to remind people is to simply have a plan. I don't think that anyone can ever get upset with you doing your part in locking in profits and at least having a plan. So if Tesla, even on the day, right, if you're day trading Tesla, meaning that you probably got in as it broke above $1,900 a share. One of the things that we want to remind you is on this 180-day chart, one of the things that you have to understand that even $1,900 a share, Tesla is very overbought on the big picture. It has gapped up within a very short period of time. So please don't be surprised if you do see pullbacks, as even for something as amazing as Tesla, and it has an amazing back end of just supporters that really gets it going. I don't know any other multi-billion-dollar corporation that's this much of a monster that almost acts like a momentum stock. And there's nothing wrong with that. You just need to make sure that you understand when hype is present. And when hype is present, it would make sense for you to be more on edge in knowing when to lock in profits. And the way that I would approach this, and again, this is my 2 cents. If you would approach it in a completely different way, I encourage you to share your thought process down in the comment section so that people watching this can learn from what it is that you have to say. It's all about having an open mind, right? But because we understand that Tesla on the 180-day chart is very overbought, if it begins like it has before and it breaks below this EMA line, don't be surprised if we actually begin to see an aggressive sell-off back to this SMA line, as it has acted as a numerous support level since Tesla has really been on this initial rally. So once we see a break below the EMA line, it would make sense that a lot of people would begin to lock in profits, as it wouldn't be much of a surprise if we do correct itself. I'm not saying that Tesla is going to sell off. All I'm saying is that don't be surprised when something shoots up over 30 to 40% within a 1 to 2 week period. Don't be surprised if there is a correction. I do agree. Hopefully Tesla goes to the moon, all that good stuff. There's such an amazing group of people that support Tesla and it reaching $2,000 a share. I'm not questioning it. All I'm here to do is to remind you to have a plan that if it's a trailing stop loss, if it means locking in profits for a portion of your position, whatever the case may be, just so you still have some skin in the game, just in case it continues to uptrend. At the end of the day, just remind yourself, do something today that your future self can thank you for. If you want to go all in with the high risk, high reward, and you want to let it run, great, so be it. That's just your approach. But if you are someone that is just getting started and is partaking in this rally, one of the mistakes that a lot of people make is improper risk management. So if you think that this is going to continue to rally forever with no pullback or no correction, again, just make sure that more often than not, even with something like Tesla that has a very strong upward pattern, it does correct itself from time to time, and sometimes it is much more aggressive than others, especially following up with a very aggressive push up like this, where we saw it hit $1,800 a share, and then we saw a very aggressive pullback shortly after. I just want to make sure that I do my part in reminding you that as of right now, there is no fundamental reason on why Tesla is aggressively pushing up. I respect and appreciate everyone that wants Tesla to continue to uptrend, as I do as well. I just want to make sure that I do my part with my YouTube channel and the people that watch it, that I encourage you to simply have a plan. If that's a plan to lock in profits at a specific price point, or if that's a plan to follow with a stop loss or lock in profits on a portion of your position size, whatever the case might be, I just want you to walk away with money in your pocket. So I really do appreciate your guys' time. I'm very excited to follow up with Tesla. I want to provide you guys with a quick little update. Right now I have an open position. I'm not up very much, about $259 on the day on TQQQ, but I'm very excited to see what this day has to offer. So just make sure that if you guys are excited for Tesla to hit $2,000 a share, that you guys absolutely destroy that like button. There it goes. We're at 1987 so far. Make sure to comment whenever you're watching this video, what price point Tesla's at. Make sure you comment that down below so we can track that. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Don't forget to stay connected. We do run an absolute free Facebook group, and that's that first link down below if you want to connect with 289,000 like-minded individuals. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and like always, we'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy, team.